like that, you try to meander.
I tried to do what?
I say cry like that.
Hi guys, see what I'm wearing? Capital City Estate. Okay, so yeah, if you don't know, Capital City is an estate that deals on all kind of properties, buyback properties, build and buy. They sell other building materials as well. They give you land at affordable prices. Affordable, not affordable. Affordable prices, okay? So I'm always leaving the number you can actually call or WhatsApp on the description box. Try check it out, and trust me, if you're looking for that land with all the whole qualification, trust me, Capital City got you covered. Anyways, welcome back to another vlog. I don't know if I've been doing intro since, because I've really been down. I've not been feeling fine. Today is just that day. I'm able to like get my body back a bit. And even if you check most of the vlog I'm doing, even all the places I've been going to, I hardly talk because I just pick the video, take my phone, do some small videos and clips so that I can just put them together. I know that my vlogs have been really boring these days. I think that's because I don't talk. I don't know. But you guys are going to be seeing this polo more in my sit down video because I like the white. I like what the white is bringing, okay? So, anyways, Jumia just brought my order. They just called me. I ordered my wristwatch strap and edge control brush. I don't know which one they brings. They brought. They brought. So the guy just called me now. It's just outside my doorpost here. Let me just go there, get it, and then I'll be going to MTN again. I have a lot of issues with my phone. Guys, I'm having pop-up ads from nowhere. I've tried all my possible best. I've tried all the settings. I've tried all the videos I've watched. Still is not working. So I'm really frustrated because I can't live stream. I can't do anything. If I'm trying to live stream, it will just like I'll start live streaming once the ad pops up and I'm trying to like decline the ads or like maybe the ads is done playing and I'm trying to like go off the ad, it will just log me out of my live stream automatically every second, and I keep seeing ads like every second back to back. I don't know what Techno is trying to do, but Techno, if you're watching this video, don't try to do any of that pop-up ad because it's really not making sense. It's really frustrating. It's really frustrating. So anyways, after getting my Jumia order, I'm still going to look for solution outside. I'll still go to the MTN Villa. Let me see if anybody can help me. Then I have another phone that I actually want to work on. A lot. I'm talking too much. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. So let's close this. Thank you. Something like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe and I'm back with another Sosan Table. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Vibe and I'm back with another Sosan Table. My talk. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another video. If this is the first time, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. Now don't they close?
Weather is
Hi guys. Yeah, never. Okay, more person. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, God of money, bless me. Oh, I don't have money. Yeah, we're going to unbox this. Big papa.
Let me see.
Are you sure this thing will even work for the research?
That's what I'm looking at. I just ordered it.
So guys, we are going to be unboxing my mic. This is it. I can't even wait to start using this mic. This is wireless microphone, and this mic cost me 38,000 naira, and they are telling me that this is old stock. So this is it. This one is empty, and then it comes like this, and then see, you guys. Can you see it? So this is where it will be charging, and this, oh my god, this is the charger. So this is it. There's two charger for it, and I believe that this charger is for this box, and then one for the mic. I don't know, but it just comes with these two cords. So this is it. And then where's the last thing that came with this? This is like, I don't know what to call this. I don't know the name, Sha. Where you want to use it to film iPhone videos, when you want to use it to film with your Android phone, and you can just connect it like this to film your iPhone video. So we are going to be testing this right now. So you connect this like this, So we're going to be testing this right now, and let's get the review if it's okay for you guys to like get this mic. Okay, so yeah, 38k, this is the product. And then I ordered this from Jumia. This is for smart wristwatch strap. Anyways, let's test it now. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If you're continuing to do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. My husband palava. Guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm so excited to share this good news with you guys. Say hi.
Hi guys.
So guys, I just unboxed my what they call it, my mic, and I don't know if I'll be uploading it separately or I'll be adding it up with this clip. I don't know, but I just say let me show you guys this. This is the watch strap. Is it strap? Strap I got from Jumia. Honestly, this is what I ordered versus what I received. Everything I ordered was exactly what I received, but the little disadvantage is that this cannot go with this my wristwatch. Yeah, can't go with Samsung here. So I need to go and look for the one for Samsung here. And I really love this baby pink color that I went for. Is it baby pink? Yeah, baby pink color that I went for. But we have a disadvantage. And you guys, my mic, who they check? Anyways, I have a whole lot of runs today, but I didn't complete them. Like phone, every other stuff, I didn't get to complete them. I'm definitely gonna complete them tomorrow. See the way my baby dropped my mic here. So I said, let me just give you guys a quick update, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay. We said we are mic owners. We done the own mic. Hey, we done the own mic. Thank God for everything. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.